Hi everyone, it's Dori. I wanted to show you how to make a really quick and easy bag out of a t-shirt that you don't need anymore. We did this once for a teen program back in February and we had a lot of fun. So I thought it would be a nice idea just to show everyone how to do it. And it's really fun, it's really quick. You don't need to sew if you don't want to. I have two t-shirts here, so I'm going to show you both the way to do it with sewing and a way to do it without sewing. You are going to end up cutting the sleeves off the t-shirt. This is to make the straps and handles for the bag. So you're gonna cut the sleeves off and then cut some off the neck. The more you cut, the longer your straps will be. And I will just show you on this darker t-shirt the lines I made to show me where to cut. So I'm going to go ahead and cut those out. And here is the gray one with the cuts. So now what we're going to do is just finish the bottom and we'll have a bag. We'll start with the no-sew method. It's real simple. All we're gonna do is just cut slits at the bottom of the t-shirt, so you'll end up with like a fringe, and then tie the fringe together. Now I have the fringe cut on the bottom of the t-shirt. So I am just gonna take the fringe, take two pieces and tie them together in knots. When we did this in the library with the teens, one of the teens commented that it would make a really good beach bag because the sand would all sift through when you put your towel in. Everyone really liked that idea. And you do want to make sure when you're tying that you're tying them in knots, because you don't want your ties to come out while you're carrying things around in your bag. Alrighty, I think we are done. And let's take a look at our bag. And there we have it. Just a real simple bag, but it will hold groceries or books or whatever you want to put in it. Throw a couple things in the bag. And there you got a nice little tote. I kind of like how it looks with the fringe on the bottom. So now I will show you how to do it with the sewing method. So what we're going to do is turn it inside out to sew it. And then all I'm going to do is just sew a straight seam across the bottom to start with. Move Harry. My dog likes to lie under the table when I'm sewing. I have to move him out of the way to get to my pedal. All right, so we've turned the shirt inside out, and all I'm going to do is just sew a quick seam across the bottom. And I'm actually gonna sew the seam twice just to make it extra secure, because this is gonna be a bag. We don't want the thread to break or the seam to come undone. You could just be done there and have a bag. It would be kind of a boxy looking bag, just to make the bottom curved a little bit. I'm going to sew a seam on the diagonal in each corner, just to make the bag tapered a little bit at the bottom. Harry! Alright, my dog keeps sliding over. He's a big lug. Yay! All right, so we're done with the sewing. So this is how the bottom looks, if you can see that. This is optional, but I'm going to cut the extra fabric in the corner off, just so it doesn't take up space in my bag. And now I'm just going to turn it inside out, and we're going to see how our bag looks. And there we go. And there is our bag. That's really cute. Thank you to my son Cooper for donating his Red Sox shirt that no longer fits. All right, yay, that's it. We made 2 reusable bags. Thanks so much for watching. So now you don't have to buy a reusable bag. I'm just gonna clean up some of my stuff. Might as well use my bags. I miss everybody. Thank you so much for watching. I miss seeing you all in the library, and I'm really looking forward to when we can see you again.